Hello and welcome to the MuleByte series presented by the Center of Excellence team at Royal Cyber. In this video, we will show you what is the role of Streaming API with MuleSoft Salesforce Connector and how you can use it in your project. What is Streaming API? Streaming API enables streaming of events using push technology and provides a subscription mechanism for receiving events in near real time. The Streaming API subscription mechanism supports multiple types of events including push topic event, generic event, platform event, and change data capture events. Common use cases for streaming API with MuleSoft Salesforce Connector. The streaming API with Salesforce Connector is used to enable real-time communication between Salesforce and external application. It allows you to receive near instantaneous updates about changes to the Salesforce data such as new records or modifications. The streaming API in Salesforce is considered as event-driven because it allows developers to subscribe to specific events and receive real-time notifications when those events occurs. This ensures timely data updates and synchronization, enhancing the overall efficiency and functionality of integrated systems, which crucial for decision making and process automation. Benefits of streaming API with MuleSoft Salesforce Connector. Integrating Salesforce Streaming API with MuleSoft offers several benefits. In them, few are: it makes easy for developers to integrate streaming API and ultimately contributing to a more responsive and well-connected ecosystem. Now, let's have a look at demo. Here, we are creating push topic in Salesforce to get the real-time communication between Salesforce and MuleSoft, where it consumes Salesforce streaming data in MuleSoft. First of all, log into Salesforce developer account. We need to create a push topic. Click on Settings, open the developer console and look for a pop-up. Next, navigate to the debug section, open the executive window and input the code to create a push topic. I already written and will share the code in the video description. Let me explain the code. This is an Apex code for Salesforce. It creates a push topic which used for setting up platform events based on changes to a specified Salesforce records. First one, it initializes push topic objects. Next one, we need to set a name for the push topic. I have given the name as customer data. You can give as your own. Next, specifies the SOQL. In this case, defines the criteria for selecting records. It selects the ID, name, account number, and phone fields from account object. Next, the API version indicates version of the Salesforce API to use. I'm using the latest one. Next, this 4R configures the push topic to notify when the records are created, updated, undeleted, and deleted. Specifies the fields that, when changed, trigger a notification. In this case, it sets a referenced, meaning changes to any referenced field will trigger a notification. Next one, inserts the configured push topic into Salesforce, making it active and ready to notify subscribers about the changes that matches the specified criteria. Next, we need to click on execute. I already executed the process. You need to do. Now, get back to the studio. This is the flow I have created. I will explain you the flow. First of all, in the Mule palette, search for Salesforce subscribe. Here for the push topic, we have to use this topic listener, subscribe topic listener. You have to drag and drop over here and connect it with to the Salesforce. You have to, I'm using here basic authentication. There are different types of authentication, different types of connections. I'm using the basic authentication where we have to give username, password, security token, and authorization URL. For the security token, we have to go to the Salesforce developer account, view profile, go to settings, and my personal information. You have reset my security token. If you click on this reset security token, you will get a new security token to your email ID. I'm already using the latest one. And for the authorization URL, go back to the Salesforce, go to settings icon, setup, and in quick find, search for domain. In company settings section, here you can see my domain, click on it. And this is the domain URL which you have to use for connecting the Salesforce in authorization URL. And add for the connection services soap and the version, and click on test connection. We will get test connection successful. Here it comes. And next I'm using a transform message just to transform the data into the JSON and logger to print the payload. You need to run it. I already run. Here you can see subscriptions 0 are empty. Now we have to go to the app launcher and click on community, and in the Salesforce general setting you can see I already got the topic as customer data. If you have created other with the other name, you will get over here and you have to choose it and save. Get back to the community, go to the accounts, and I'm creating a new account. We are going to the create, update, and delete scenarios. I'm creating account. I'm giving the name as Mule Bytes and the account number as something, and the phone number example, and save. Now the streaming API will show the logs in the console like this. In Anypoint Studio you can see phone number, ID, name, MuleBytes, account number. Now we will go to another scenario, update. Go to accounts. I'm updating the phone number. I will add 2 zeros and click on save, and it's saved. Go to studio. If you see, the number got updated. And next we will do the delete operation. Delete, it got deleted successfully. And if you go to the studio logs, you can see YAL and YAL. This is the ID which got deleted. This is the one which you deleted in the Salesforce. This is how the Salesforce streaming API works. That's for the demo. And MuleSoft has added two new features in the runtime settings, which are release channel and other is Java version. While deploying the application, the new features are release channel, in which you have edge and long-term support, and the other one is Java version. If you click on learn more, you will get the detail about it. Let me have a small demo on it. In MuleSoft, edge releases are optimized for lightweight and edge deployments, focusing on resource efficiency. These are suitable for scenarios which you need a smaller footprint and agility, such as IoT environments. Long-term support releases are chosen for stability and extended maintenance, ideal for mission-critical applications. They undergo prolonged support with bug fixes and security updates. When deciding between Edge and LTS release, consider factors like project size, resource constraints, and need for cutting-edge features, like Edge for agility and LTS for stability in critical systems. The next one is Java version. Java MuleSoft adoption for Java long-term support LTS release cadence starting from Mule Runtime 4.6 introduces support for Java 17 LTS. This shift is driven by the broader industry trend where many third-party vendors are discontinuing support for Java 8. The move to newer versions such as Java 17 LTS offers benefits including enhanced security, compliance, and performance. For users on currently supported Mule version or those upgrading to Mule version 4.6, there is no immediate impact. Existing Mule applications running on Java 8 will continue to operate on Java 8 until February 2025. To prepare for the Java 17 upgrade, planning involves evaluating various components such as integration apps, connectors, like both anypoint connectors and custom connectors, Mule gateway policies, and API proxies. Since these components rely on Java, assessing this compatibility and making necessary adjustment is essential for a smooth transition to the next newer Java version. This proactive approach ensures the MuleSoft users can continue to benefit from latest advancement in Java while maintaining the security and reliability of their Java integration solutions. This is the end of the topic, and we will get back to you with another interesting topic soon. Thank you.